Hi everyone, I am Shah. Before going to learn about theory on what is Microsoft Copilot, let's look into actual applications of Microsoft Copilot. Then you will understand what you are going to learn in this course. For example, you wanted to write an article, then you go to Word and you start writing your article. Or you can go to ChatGPT and you can get some ideas from ChatGPT and you can start writing the article. But now you have a very powerful AI assistant directly integrated into the Microsoft products, which is called Microsoft Copilot. So here you can see a small icon, or you can say Alt I, so that it opens the Copilot window. So now I'm saying that write a lengthy article on impacts of AI. So I wanted to write this article and I'm taking the help of AI. So Microsoft Copilot basically uses some GPT algorithms in the backend, and it generates everything within your Microsoft products. For example, in this case, Microsoft Word. So if you see this here, you can see that the impacts of artificial intelligence, and it has generated a 3-page document: ethicals, societal and cultural impacts. If you like it, you can keep it. If you want to modify it, you can modify it. If you want to discard it, you can discard it. And similarly, there is also a Copilot panel here. If you click on it, you can open it. You'll see, and you will learn about this in details in the next upcoming sessions. This is just to showcase how Microsoft Copilot works in Word. Now let's see that how it works in PowerPoint. So for example, there is a Copilot plugin enabled here. So I go here and then I'll say that create, so for example, create a presentation about impacts of AI. So I'll just say that. Now you can say anything. For example, create a presentation on so and so topic about 20 slides, 25 slides, or you can take the references. So you can create the presentation from any reference, which can be a PDF or Word or text file or anything. So this way, this is going to create. So similarly, so now Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that has been integrated or embedded into most of the Microsoft products. If you see here, a beautiful presentation on impacts of AI has been created with 12 slides. So you just give the topic. So this is called generative AI, which means that you give a piece of input, which is text or prompt, and then you get the desired result in your favorite Microsoft product like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And it's not just that. Now let's look into what are the things which you are going to learn in this course. So you are going to learn about Copilot standalone. So there is Copilot, which is a standalone like ChatGPT, and then there is Copilot that is integrated into Microsoft products. For example, Microsoft Edge, M365 Copilot, which is Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and many more M365 apps. So you will go into details of each thing and see what the Copilot in each product can do. This is just 1% of it. And then there is something called Power Platform, which is used by low code, no code developers for developing simple to complex solutions by just dragging and dropping things. So there is also a Copilot embedded into Power Platform, which makes things easier. And there is a GitHub Copilot. If you are a programmer or a non-technical person, if you want to start writing code, you can take help of a GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio, and you can start writing code by just giving a piece of prompt, which is nothing but a piece of text. And finally, you will be learning how to develop a custom Copilot, which means that custom chatbot. So basically, all these Copilots is nothing but an intelligent chatbot, which is using the GPT models in the backend, which is developed by OpenAI. But then these are being used in Microsoft products. In each of the product, you can see Microsoft Copilot, which you can think of an intelligent chatbot embedded into that product, which can help you to enhance or boost your productivity. So basically you can convert a piece of text into code, piece of text into Word or PowerPoint or email, or a piece of text into um, any other, for example, apps or automations or web pages. And other important thing is, why should I learn all this AI? Because AI is not going to replace anyone. AI is just going to transform the way which we are today. It is going to help us boost our productivity. If you don't learn it, what happens is AI will not replace you, but the person who learns and effectively uses AI will definitely replace the workforce which is not using AI. Because if something is being developed for 1 month, and if you are using AI, that can be developed just within few weeks or within a week, because it is going to give us the foundation which is needed, and we can develop on top of it. So this is very essential to learn. And let's look into something else as well. So here is the Copilot standalone. So this is the Microsoft Copilot standalone, which you can go to copilot.microsoft.com. So this is something which is similar to ChatGPT, where you can ask questions like whatever the questions you want, and it will give replies like chat gpt. And then if you want to generate an image, for example, let's say so I just said generate an image of a crocodile being a captain of a ship. So it will try to create that image. So this is the standalone Copilot, which is available as web version and also as a mobile app, which you can download and you can use it like ChatGPT. It is free. So if you see this, it has created an image like this. Now the next part is, we have seen this in Word and PowerPoint. And then, for example, I need, let's say that I'm in msn.com web page, and then here is browser's Edge Copilot. So you click on this and you will see that a small pane has been opened. And for example, if I say that generate summary of this page, this is a web page, so it is going to summarize the things on this web page. It says that, okay, I have seen this and here is the summary of it. If you have a very specific question on this, you can go ahead and ask it. So this is Edge Copilot. And then GitHub Copilot. Let's look into GitHub Copilot. So I'm using code editor called Visual Studio, and I have enabled GitHub Copilot plugin in this. And here is the GitHub Copilot, and here I have opened a new file. You can say Control I, and then a Copilot pop-up is open, just like how you have seen in Word. And then here I'll say that write code for Dino game in Python. Dino means the game which is in Chrome, so I wanted that in Python. So when I say this, it is going to write me the code. So here is the code. So it has generated me the code. Even if you are a developer who needs to improve your code, or if you are a non-techie and you wanted to start writing code, understanding the code, explaining the code, fixing the code, you can use GitHub Copilot. So you just accept this and here is your code. This is super easy and super powerful. And now the other final part is creating the custom Copilot. We'll have a separate session on this. You can create your own Copilot which can sit on your website or on your app, and this is used for very specific purpose. For example, you are having a customer service website, or you are having a web hosting website and you need a chatbot there. You can create that custom Copilot using Copilot Studio. So you have just seen only 1% of it. We'll go into the details of each of this, and you will be learning a lot many things which will help not just you but also your team, your organization, or your clients. So this is useful for not just an individuals. There are multiple subscriptions, like for individuals some things are free, and this is also available for some businesses. For example, you have a lot many documents which are in SharePoint, which are in OneDrive, and then there is Copilot for M365 where you can ask questions, you can get summary of these things which are available inside your Microsoft products like SharePoint, OneDrive, or any other location or within Teams. Or you can build your Copilot, which I said, with the help of Copilot Studio. So the course structure something looks like this. We'll be learning about Edge Copilot, Microsoft 365 Copilot, Power Platform Copilot, Windows Copilot. Windows Copilot is you can do a lot many things within Windows with the help of Windows Copilot. For example, you need to change the background of Windows. You just type in change the background to some XYZ, then it is going to change, or at least it is going to give you the pane where you can change it. So you don't have to go search or look into this. So Windows automation is possible with Windows Copilot. And GitHub coding Copilot, which will be helpful in writing the code. Custom Copilot is Copilot Studio, where you can create your Copilot. And the first one is standalone web or mobile version of Copilot. So you'll start with Gen AI, what is generative AI, what is Microsoft Copilot, and then you will dive into different types of Copilots available, and you will start with the basics of how using standalone Copilot, and then Windows Copilot, Copilot in M365, Copilot in Power Platform, and GitHub Copilot, and finally creating a custom Copilot with Copilot Studio. And I am Shah. I'm working in software for the past 14 plus years. I am currently working in MNC as a global low code, no code AI and automation lead. I did my BTech in computers and then MBA in strategy and leadership. I have been certified in Microsoft and Google with lot many cloud and AI and automation certifications. For the past 6 years, I have been working in low code, no code space, and then I look into how we can use AI and how we can implement AI into our solutions, how we can integrate AI into your solutions, and how we are going to effectively use AI and adapt AI within an organization. We'll be discussing all those things along with just development of AI or using of AI. We'll also see how we can adapt AI faster in an organization. You can know more about me at my website shahanshaw.com. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. This is going to be the full hands-on session rather than theoretical part, and you will be learning it right there. And there is also trials available for these products, so that you don't have to pay anything. You can just use Microsoft Copilot Pro trial, and then you can learn everything within few days. Let's get started on this journey of Microsoft Copilot AI companion that will be helpful, which will change the way, revolutionize the way which we are working today. Thank you. See you soon.